Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this channel, today I am going to teach you about set theory, that is for both first year QC and second year QC point of view, that is CET as well as JEE. Let us start from the first question. If A be a non-empty set such that A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found 1, 0 and 0, 1, then the options are given here. As we know, 1, 0 belongs to both A cross A. As you can see here, minus 1, 0 and 0, 1. So, A cross A belongs to 1, 0 and 0, 1 belongs to A cross A. That's why, since we have 3 elements, the answer is minus 1, 0, 1 belongs to A itself. Option is which option? C option. Now, the smallest set A such that A union 1, 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and 9 is, since the union sign is given, there is union signs, not intersection sign. So, A union 1, 2 is equal to that question as it is. Here, what is missing? Union sign means what is missing? 1, 2, 1, 2 is common. The missing term is 3, 5, 9 because union dashed, not intersection. If they ask intersection means 1, 2 will be the answer, but union as there, that's why 3, 5 and 9. Why? It is the smallest set A they are asking, not complete set of A. So 3, 5, 9 is only the smallest set A. The smallest set A intersection 1, 2 means 1, 2 itself. Remember that one in case of intersection. Now comes to, if A and B has 3 and 6 elements such that the minimum number is in A union B is, as you know, formula n of A union B, which is greater than or equal to maximum num, that is 3, 6 they have given. A is 3, B is 6. So what is the maximum number here? 3 or 6? Yes, obviously 6. In the same question they may ask the minimum number they asked here. If they asked maximum number means the answer will be 3, as you can see, according to formula. Now, the group of beautiful girl is that a set? First of all, it is not a set. Why? Here the term beautiful itself a relative term, which is not at all defined in case of what? Set. So it is not a set. Now, if x and y are two sets, x intersection y union x whole dash is equal to what they asked? X and y are two sets, and x intersection y union x intersection is, we know a distributive formula, but we can't apply here. These are they asked in case of two sets. So according to De Morgan's law, we know x intersection y union x complement is equal to x intersection y intersection x complement. Here what the inside the intersection is there according to De Morgan's formula. So intersection means obviously it is a null set. Now, sixth one, if A is equal to 1 to 7, then the number of proper subset of A is, here A has how many elements? 7. Yeah, number of subsets formula we know, 2 to the power of n minus 1, that is proper subset formula. So 2 to the power of 7 minus 1. If A and B has two sets such that A union B is equal to A, then A intersection B is equal to I have done a mistake here. A intersection B is equal to B itself. A intersection B is equal to B itself, because A union B is equal to A. Here the B is subset of A, so A intersection B is equal to B itself. Wait a second. Okay, now I completed 7 questions, important questions. Then I ask you for 2 or 3 marks. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. And 7th one answer is B, because 2 sets they are given. B, since the B is subset of A, so A intersection B is B itself, not null sets. Thank you for watching.